Our team is going above and beyond for our customers on a daily basis. Everyone really takes it as a personal goal to make sure that their customers are able to succeed. And so this is going to be, exemplified through either being available for a customer who's going through an internal transition and needs a little bit of extra advice and guidance from us as they go through that transition. It also shows up in the care that our team puts into making recommendations that are going to have tangible results for our customers. Plans that have saved hundreds, if not millions of dollars for our customers over time through the attention their customer success manager pays to connecting our customers' business with solutions that ServiceChannel offers. To ensure that the customer success management team is up to speed on everything new and available on ServiceChannel, we have a really robust internal process, and it may sound that this is just something obvious that happens, but it's done intentionally. We work with our learning and development partners, our product management partners, the engineering team, product marketing, and all of the teams get together to ensure that going into a release, we understand the products that are coming out, we have clear value props. We've also, in most cases, had customers using these products before they get to our general availability. And when customers are using the product in advance of general availability, it gives us the chance to be more familiar with the use cases, as well as understand that there are true benefits. It's a really exciting time when we have a new hire join ServiceChannel. It gives us a chance to welcome a new teammate onto the team. Their peers are always extremely welcoming and willing to provide assistance, to provide shadowing opportunities, and to always have each other's back. And that's really the most important thing that we find on our team. Not one individual can have all of the information, but collectively, we're amazingly strong in our experience, our knowledge, and our know-how. We will ensure that every team member who comes on board is given the opportunity to learn our culture, our company, our products, as well as their role. Our customer success management program is built around two very simple facts. We want to optimize our customers' results and outcomes with ServiceChannel, as well as ensuring they have a fantastic experience with our team. When we focus on those two areas, we can ensure customers have the value they need and they're with a product that they feel comfortable in and excited to continue with. We're really proud of the longevity that we have with our customers and the mature customers we've had on the platform since day one. They continue to guide us and influence ServiceChannel's decisions, so we're always keeping the customer in mind. Their experience is driving our actions, and we're going to continue to focus on delivering results that are meaningful and matter to the bottom line, but also to their day-to-day use of the product. My favorite team meetings are the ones where we get together and each CSM is sharing examples of what their customers have achieved through ServiceChannel, through some of our recommendations, through adoption of different products. We're doing that so that we can ensure everybody knows the most recent best practices, so we can continue to implement those across the entire customer base. So these good ideas, one idea sparks 10 more, and we can all share in celebrating our customers' results, and we can all be inspired to continue pursuing more. I really love working in this space because we're helping real-world people solve real-world problems, ensuring that they feel that they can succeed in keeping the brand image for their company to standards, and throughout that process, making their life a little bit easier.